How to add auto captions in InShot. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can add auto captions in your InShot. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's just jump right into it. So to add auto captions or subtitles automatically using InShot, what you'll need to do is first locate your InShot app and then open it up. After you open up your InShot, go to videos and choose a video. So after you select the video that you want, what you can do is head over to this text option, tap on text, and there you'll find the captions option. Tap on captions, and from here you'll need to choose the audio source, which most of the cases will be video. And you can now choose a default template as well. So choose a template. I'll just choose classic. Then tap on start. After you tap on start, you will then be prompted to join the pro version of InShot, which is required for the auto caption. So if you do have it, tap on start and start your auto caption. So there are multiple options here, as you can see. I'll just go back here, choose your video source, and you can also remove all the existing captions. So yeah, if you have the premium or the subscription version of InShot, you can then simply start with your auto caption. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.